Welcome to the new video of Abkhazia. Today we are going to exploring of the Abkhazia. Between the towering Caucasus mountain and the shores of the Black Sea lies a land often forgotten by time, a place of a mixed mystery and untouched beauty. This is Abkhazia, a region where history wipes through the ancient stone walls and nature paints landscape found nowhere else on the earth. Abkhazia is a tapestry of the dramatic contrasts. Deep green forests blanket its rugged hills, while crystal blue rivers carve their way toward the sea. The region is blessed with a subtropical climate, giving life to rare flora, endless beach and snow-capped peaks that tower above the clouds. From the majestic Lake Ritsa to the roaring Gagra waterfall, nature here is not just beautiful, it is a breathtaking. This land has been shaped by centuries of the civilization. Ancient kingdom, empires, traders, and warriors have all walked these paths. Abkhazia carries the scares and the stories of the complex past, from the medieval fortress to the echoes of more recent conflict. Yet deposit everything, its cultural identity remains strong, preserved in its traditions, architecture, and the warmth of its resilient people. Along the Black Sea coast, life slowly dawn. Palm trees sway gently, waves rise and fall with a quiet rhythm, and the scent of the citrus fruits are throughout of the air. Coastline villages offer a rare glimpse into a world where the hospitality is scared, and every cup of a tea carries a story from a generation past. And if we talk about of the religion, the Abkhazia people celebrate a culture rooted in respect for nature, for family, and for the ancient of the tradition that guide their lives. Folk dances, heartfelt songs, and a vibrant festival reflect a spirit and has survived through the hardships and changed their sense of belonging of this land is unshaked, and it is connected that gives Abkhazia its soul. Where the terror, Abkhazia offer a world of the adventure, hidden caves cut deep beneath the mountains, forgotten monasteries rest in a silence, and winding roads lead to viewpoints that seem suspended above the earth. It is a destination still untouched by mass tourism, raw, authentic, and auto attentions. Abkhazia remains one of the world's most enigmatic contrasts and the concerns of a place where a past and present exist side by side, where nature offers a sanctuary and where stories linger in every breeze. Mysterious resilience and a beautiful beyond imagination. This is Abkhazia, the hidden paradise of the Caucasus. Down at the quest, the vibe is totally different. Georgia and Sukhumi feels calm and slow. Sunny beaches, palm trees, warm breeze, and a small cafes right by the water is the perfect spot of the relax after a long day of exploring the mountains. If we talk about of the local dishes and tea markets and of course the food here is highlighted: fresh seafood, cheesy kachapori, grilled meat, all served with incredible hospitality. People in Abkhazia are warm, welcome, and always ready to share the story. If we talk about of the Abkhazia religion, the largest religious group of the Abkhazia follow the Eastern Orthodox Christianity. Most authentic Abkhazians and many people in cities like of the Sukhumi, Gagra, and Gagra identity with Orthodox tradition. Importer of the church included ancient monasteries and meditative temples. Many people visit church on major holidays like of Easter and Christmas. If we talk about of the Islam came the region through the Ottoman Empire. Many Muslim community lives in rural areas or mountain village. Islamic traditions such as Eid celebrate and Friday prayer remain important to culture of the practice. Abkhazia also preserve ancient native beliefs known as Abkhazia paganism of the traditional animism. These traditions honor nature's anchors and secret groves and mountains of the spirit. Rituals include offering prayers from the harvest and community of the festival. Scared sites like of the grove stones and mountain shrines still hold cultural and significance. If we talk about of the conclusionly that Abkhazia's religious landscape is diverse and peaceful with Christianity, Islam and traditional beliefs coexisting for centuries. Many families even mix traditions celebrating Christians festival, keeping old pagan customs and honoring cultural practices passed down through the generation. And if we talk about of the man's traditional dress, the man's outfit is based on the Caucasian chokha, a long fitted coat known across the Caucasus but with Abkhazia elements. And if we're talking about of the chokha, usually dark colors, black, brown, gray, occasionally white, fitted, waisted and wide shoulders, created a strong warrior look. Other dress is belt and silver dagger. A traditional orient belt holds a dagger called the emdazar. The dagger represents valor, protecting and adulthood. Here we talk about a shirt and pants. A light shirt called the pringa is worn under the check and appearance are slim and tucked into the boots. And we talk about a footwear hat, white leather boots for riding and walking in the mountain. A wool hat, papaka, common across the Caucasus of our region, symbolization of the status. Now, if we talk about of the Abkhazia women's traditions, cloth is known for being graceful, flowing, and richly decorated. It emphasizes elegance and a movement. There is a floor-length cloth with a fitted upper body and a wide sleeves. Color included red, white, green, blue, and a gold. Embroidery features traditional patterns inspired by nature. A small, often silver or a gold belt around the waist symbolizes beauty and femininity. A scarf or valley lagwata tied over the hair for a special events. Women wear a jeweled appearance and ornaments. And we talk about the jewelry, silver necklace, bracelets, and hair ornaments. Traditional Abkhazia silver work is very detailed. Women's dress reflect delight, purity, and connection of the traditions. And we talk about the folk dance. In Abkhazia dance, men wear a chokaza with a bright sashes and a boots for the ingredient of the footwear. And women wear long floating dress fluid that emphasizes soft, graceful movement. The customer or the designs are to enhance a dramatic style of a possession of the dances. And the modern clothes today, people dress in a modern European style clothing.